Hello everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today again. In this video I quickly want to let everyone understand the lowest or the least lot size or the best lot size you can use to trade. Now if you are trading boom and crash, either boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500 or crash 1000, the least lot size you can use is 0.20. 0.20 is the least that you can use. Now mind you, if you are using 0.20 on boom and crash, which is the least, don't make the mistake of using 0.20 on step index or on volatility index, because someone chatted me up when I drop a signal on um step index some couple of days ago, and he said, oh, I got $200. I was like, what is your lot size? I discovered that it's using the same lot size it's using on boom and crash for VIX and step index, which is very, very risky. Now for every of your trading, you need to understand that lot size is very, very important because of the risk that's attached to them. Now step index is very volatile. VIX 75 is also very volatile, so you must make sure that you know the least lot size that you can use for them. Now how will you know? Before I go further, I want to say, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I just want you to do so. I want you to do so by clicking on the description below. Check the description below, you see our Telegram channel. Just click on it and join. Thank you for that, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now we are on step index chart for now. Now let's go. We click at the top right corner of the screen, we click the plus there. So now presently the lot size we use for boom 500 index still appears here, as long as we are operating on the same account. Now what you do is you have to go back. Now change this to 0.0 0 point, I'm coming, sorry for that mistake. Just change this to, make sure that it changes to the least lot size, 0.00. just do something like this, 001. Let's see, 1 is not available. 00005, let's do something like this. 2, oh, we have 2, we should have 1 too. We should have 1. 0.01. now let's go for a sell. Now you see we have 10. Now let's go back again and check probably if we can use less. 0.01, which I think is the least. Now sell again. Now you can see on step index we have 0.10. now with this example, it's telling us that the least lot size we can use on step index is 0.10, right? Now you have to check the way 0.10 is giving you profit or is making you to go in loss. You can see for a very smaller account, 0.10 should be the best. Let's say $10 account, $50 account, 0.10 should be the best for you, though trading requires the level of your risk management. I've seen people with $20 using higher lot size. They are breaking the rules to make more money, but it's risky. Your account is gonna get burnt. I understand the fact that people need more money, okay, but nevertheless, what you have in your hand is still worth thousands, okay, in the market. So you just have to protect what you have first before you'll be thinking of what you get. So that's the best way that you can start your trading journey. Now let's go back to VIX 75 now. I'll open VIX 75 chart just for me to just see what's happening. We can go for a buy on this. We click on the plus at the top right, then you can see at default we have 0.10 of a thing, which is too big. for the sake of those people that will be using smaller account to trade. Now let's go down. 0.001. This should be the list, right? Then we buy. Okay, now let's check it. What it give us? It give us 0.001, which is the list, right? Now what you now notice is you will now be checking the way at which VIX75 index on 0.001 is giving you profit or is giving you loss first, before you go and use that same lot size on your real account. Now you can see, because VIX75 has higher volatility, it can quickly give you a meaningful amount of money, but it's very good to start with the least. Now let's take for example someone that has an account of $50 and you want to trade, let's say BUM 1000 in this. Let me check the chart on M1. Alright, now you want to say BUM 1000 in this. You now use 2.0 lot size, or even one, then you sell rather. Now as you have sell, you can see we are having it is going. Now let me go for another sell of 1.00. now let me go for another of 0.20 selling. Now let me go for another 0.50 another. But don't forget, the least lot size you can use on boom and crash, as I've said earlier, is 0.20. okay, and it depends on how long the spike is. Now let's check the spike on boom 500 in this. You can see with this spike we have in here, from this point to this point give us 2.26 or $27. Now with this spike we'll be getting almost $4 with this spike if our entry is at this point. So we'll be getting like $4 with this spike, right? We'll be getting at like $4 with this spike. So now if you are trading against this trend, one spike will give you like $2 to $4. Some might even give you like $6 if the trend is going in the direction of your trade. Now with this on boom 500 index, we sold using lot size of 0.20, and you can see the time it takes before it gets down to my EP. It's taking a very long time, because when you zoomed out, you will see the number of minutes of each candlestick stands for 1 minute on M1. Then when you count this, is almost like 20 minutes, and in less than 1 minute we have a spike. So that's why it's very important for you, anytime you are trading against the spike, use small lot size, because of the risk that is involved if you are not catching spike. Now let's go. Boom 1000 index is still going in our favor. What I just want to show you is either it goes in profit or it goes in loss. You can see for boom 1000 index with lot size of 2.0, it gave us $2.65, 2.69, 2.71. Now check for boom 1000 index with lot size of 1.00. You can see 1.00 gave us 1.00 gave us 1 point, oh sorry, gave us 1.54 or so. Still counting. Now check for 0.20, it gave us 30 cents. Now check for 5, it gave us this. So this is one of the major reasons why people were using bigger lot size, so that they can get enough money. But one thing is this: anytime you're trading, just make sure that you're using the best lot size for your account, and this is how you can detect, this is how you can know the least lot size. Now see what it will be giving you first on demo before you dive more into and using a very big lot size on your real account. And if you have used big lot size for one trade, let's assume you have used 0.10 on let's say boom and crash. Anytime you want to trade step index or volatility index, make sure you check that lot size for us to change it to either the list. You can see our trade is going in our favor, just like when you're using 0.20 on boom and crash. You can see for the V75 index 0.001, see what is giving us, and see what 0.20 on boom 1000 index is also giving us. Almost the same thing, almost the same thing. So guys, this is how you can check the lot size you can use on your demo account. This is a demo account, so that's how you can check it before you start using a very big lot size on your real account. Mind you, before you place any trade, do your math. Okay, if a spike should go against me, how much will I lose? Now let's assume now on this you go for a sell with lot size of, now I just want to use, let me use lot size of 2.0, 0.20 rather, sorry, 0.20, then we sell. Now if we have a spike, if we have a spike against us from this point to up here, it means we'll be losing like $2.30. Yeah, $2.30. So that's how you do your math, that's how you do your calculation before you start using. Don't use any lot size anyhow. No, don't use any lot size anyhow. And you can see I just look at the chart and do my prediction, and you can see all is blue, except for the one that I hedge above. You can see all is blue. Okay, now for the V75 index, you can see that doesn't mean that it won't buy. Okay, so this is how you can know the best lot size that you can use. And also, if you want to double it, you can just go for another sell for this. Okay, and one of the main reason why I'm using multiple positions is because of the profit, because all my signals so far has been perfect. All of them has been perfect, and I hardly lose trades. Okay, I'm not saying I didn't lose, but I hardly lose trades because I discipline myself. I don't over trade. 4 signals at least in a day is cool, and everything is working fine by the grace of God. So when I have multiple positions, I can close half of them. Let's take for example, I have 1.00 in 10 different places, or 5. I can close 3 or 2. If I discover that the loss is getting too much, then I will leave the remaining 2 or 3 to keep running till it came in profit. Like what happened today, the last signal I was telling those operating on smaller accounts to close, and those on bigger accounts should hold. Okay, to protect the funds of the smaller account holder, which some close in loss. But I definitely know, as long as we are still on uptrend for boom 500 index, I think so, it later came in profit after like 3 hours or so, or more, forgotten. So everything later came in profit, and we closed. I closed my own position at like plus $9 or so. So for today, no loss, and for days before, like we have maybe like 1 or 2 losses for weeks now. So guys, that's just it. If you have any comments or anything to say to this, you can just like comment in the comment section, and like the video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And I will use this medium to tell you that spike detector is available, and I'm about to show you something massive in the next video. Yeah, I'll show you. It's a secret, but I'll just have to let it out for you. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell. So thank you, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye.